In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we ran into a problem error on Teams. So what you're going to do firstly is on your search bar here, tap in taskbar. Okay, type in taskbar and then go to your task manager. Okay, type in task manager and then go to your task manager. Here what we're going to do is you're going to select, go to your Teams here. Okay, select your Teams, and then once you select it, hit on end task here. Okay, so if you select Teams and then hit on end task. Once that's done, next on the search bar here again, type in percentage app data percentage. Okay, so percentage app data percentage. Okay, just type that in, percentage app data percentage. Okay, once you type that in, click on that folder. Okay, so once you click on this folder here, so now what we're going to do, go to select Microsoft, open up the folder, and then from Microsoft select the Teams folder. Once you're in the Teams folder, we're just going to delete a couple of files here. Open up this blob storage here, open it up, right click on this folder, delete it. Once done, go back. Next, click on this cache folder here, open it up, and then delete all these files here, delete it. Once that's done, go back again, and then go to this GPU cache here, click on it, select all the files, right click, delete it. Once that's done, again go back, right, and then go to local storage, and same thing here, click on this folder and then delete these files. Okay, once that's done, again and see what else we are missing. So that's fine, I think. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and there's another code cache here, so open it up. Okay, and then you can leave this one, the code cache is fine, that's fine. And then go to this database here, click, select it, and then delete it. So once I've deleted all these files here, what you're going to do is just restart your system and then launch Teams, and that should fix up the issue.